Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I run across this video here on Malcolm X. And Malcolm X said this about the Democratic Party almost 60 years ago. And for somehow, we're still doing the same thing over and over and over again and expecting a different outcome. But check this out and you tell me what you think.
The Democrats have been in Washington, D.C. only because of the Negro vote. They've been down there 4 years. And all other legislation they wanted to bring up, they brought it up and gotten it out of the way, and now they bring up you. And now they bring up you. You put them first and they put you last. Because you're a chump. A political chump. In Washington, D.C., in the House of Representatives, there are 257 who are Democrats. Only 177 are Republicans. In the Senate, there are 67 Democrats. Only 33 are Republicans. The party that you bash controls 2/3 of the House of Representatives and the Senate, and still they can't keep their promise to you, because you're a chump. Anytime you throw your weight behind a political party that controls 2/3 of the government, and that party can't keep the promise that it made to you during election time, and you're dumb enough to walk around continuing to identify yourself with that party, you're not only a chump, but you're a traitor to your race.
I'm going to show you what Mike Tyson had to say about this. Check it out.
All the Republicans, all the Democrats, all the independents, they're saying right in the people say, you don't know what you're doing. You gotta vote for me next week. You ain't thinking about Donald Trump. You just riding on the bandwagon of success. They telling us we're stupid. That's what they're telling us. And do you see that too? No, really.
Well, I mean, no, absolutely.
That's what they're saying. These people are stupid. That's going to go down. That means you ain't going to keep your vote there. They're talking to the interviewer, but they're saying it to the people like the people don't listen to them. And here, that's not going to last. Like the people don't want to keep the numbers the way they are.
All right. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And let me read some of the comments that you put below. Have a great day.